what's up? I'm hitting you with another book. Book. Where did that come from? Anyways, I'm hitting you with another video. And today, well, first of all, we hit 5 subs. That's amazing. Still, I'm not. Alright, next milestone would be at 20. Because I know it's going to be far away. Anyways, another smashing paper upload video. I have a piece of paper here. Let's fold it. I'm going to show you how to fold the paper if I don't know. So I have a piece of paper here. Just like torchy down here. So let me okay, wait, hold on. I'm trying to do something. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm not even sure if it's gonna work. Alright, good. It's gonna work. Yes, okay, good. You can see the paper. Alright, good. You can see the paper. So first what you need to do is you're going to take it and you're going to fold one corner in. Like this. Like this, and then you're going to take the other corner and you're going to fold it in. And then you're simply going to fold it like this across this here. Alright, good. Like crease at the bottom, so like this. Crease at the bottom. So that should look like this. Make sure that creases at the bottom is really, really tight. And you're going to take this and you're going to let me put this back over here. Fold, make these wings here. You're going to just look. You're going to fold this down and make wings. Don't put them too far down. You just need to make them so they look just about so they touch the end. Alright? Alright, good. Okay. Alright, good. And if you want to make them like really good, you can check them out. I'm going to start making tutorials on how to make them. But right now I'm just going to show you. This is a basic one. And then how to make it fly. You just open up the wings here and look at this. See, it flies if you do it at the right angle. But anyways, let's get started smashing it. Alright, so first, let's bring it back to old. I mean, a couple of videos. So actually, I don't want to use that today. Let's use. I'm not sure what I want to use, guys. Let's just use. I'm not sure what to use. God. Alright, let's whack on this troll face. Yes, I did show this troll face a couple of days ago. Troll face. Alright, let's hit it on this troll face. For now, at least. I don't think that's going to do much for us. I probably will smash the... Here, you know what? I'll smash the troll face, too. Today in this video. We're going to smash 2 things. We're going to definitely use this. You just move this, right? What if you do? Alright. So there. Yeah. That's gonna do someone. LOL. Alright. Oh, by the way, go and look out. I got 5 subscribers. My last subscriber was Jennifer. I don't even want to say her name. But she's in my class at school. So, yeah. This video won't even be up while I'm done recording because I can edit it and stuff. Make sure no one's home. I don't want anyone to come in. Oh crap. Okay, no one's here. I'll make sure that. Hold on. Alright, so someone's here that comes in this room, so I have to hurry up and finish doing this video. Takes that. Smashing the trophy. Make sure he's not outside yet. Okay. Make it. Troll! Look at this. He's falling down.